Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the footer. So in this example site here, some service area has been added to the footer, which is pretty standard for a carpet cleaning website. But you see how it comes up to the edges here? We want to be able to set that so that it is has some padding. And the way we do that is to go to the dashboard, go to Core Options, Footer. Okay, now whenever you're working in the footer here, this is where you're going to add the actual content, is in the core section. But you always want to have anything that's in the footer, you want it to be between these little short code brackets. So the copyright there, which you can see right here, is centered. And that shows up between these two short codes, center open and center close. For the service areas, we want to do the same thing, but we want to get these little short codes down here. You can copy them, paste it, and then make sure you always close it. And so what that does is it puts it inside basically a hook that we can style over in the dynamic side. But let's go ahead and save this. And the dynamic side already has the padding and everything set up. That's why we want to use these little short codes. So we want to put that in there. Now let's go in here and refresh and see what it looks like. Now you see that it changed all the styling. It put it down into gray, which is in the dynamic section, and it also gave it some padding, and it changed the size a little bit. That's what we want to do. Now if you wanted to go ahead and change that styling and the size, the color, or whatnot, we can go over to the dynamic options, click on footer, and so you see the footer left padding. This is where you're actually going to set it. So right now it's set to 10. We can set it to whatever we want. We can set the font to a larger size, and we can set it to black. Maybe we will set that one to black just to make it pop out a little bit more. So we'll bring that down there, save changes. Now when we refresh, it changes all the text to black. But the main thing is you want to put anything that you add to the footer, you want it to be between the short codes for the left open or the center or the right open.